Hey there, this is John Falzon. I'm COO at CMI, Configuration Management Inc. I just got back from an industry trade show, and I realized a lot of people came up to me and asked me, so what does CMI do? What are you guys all about? And we thought it would be good for me to put together a little video and make it available on our website so that other people can easily find out more about what CMI does. In a nutshell, we're all about configuration management. The company was founded 20 years ago on configuration management, and that continues to be our core competency. We actually own the trademark for configuration management. And configuration management is all about improving your software delivery, right? Whether it's improving the speed of the delivery, the quality of your software delivery, or the cost of your delivery. Configuration management, CMI, really is here to support the improvement of all those aspects of your software delivery. Let me talk about our services. We really have three main services that we support under configuration management, and they are: one is consulting, the second is staffing, and the third is our managed services. So let me talk about each one of those. And our consulting engagements, and that's typically how we get started with our clients. The client has an issue with their software delivery and enlists our support in trying to help them understand what needs to be fixed. And we can really come in, analyze an environment, any aspect of their software delivery, and really come back with a set of first findings and recommendations, and then help you with the implementation of those changes to improve your software delivery. In addition to an assessment, as we call it, we can help with creation of a management framework. Obviously, not having the proper controls and management of changes when your software development can lead to all kinds of problems. And so we have experience in setting up management frameworks for the control and management of changes to software delivery. In addition to that, we do tool selection and tool implementation. So if you're in the process of looking at a new tool infrastructure, we know configuration management has been around for 20 years, but some of the tools, might have antiquated tool in your infrastructure. You might have a lot of diversity in terms of tools, looking to standardize or select a new tool. We can help you do that. And we're tool agnostic, although we support all the major vendors like IBM and CollabNet's products, as well as open source. We do not sell or resell software. We think that's an important aspect of the support that we provide to you, is that we're agnostic to software. We want to understand what your requirements are. We want to understand what your infrastructure is about. We want to understand what your investments are, and we want to help you select the right tool for your environment. So that's why we maintain that agnostic view, and we think that's a big factor for why people come to us. We're going to tell you what you really need to understand, and in terms of implementing a tool, we'll also tell you the best way to set up your tool infrastructure. We're not going to optimize the use of licenses. As a matter of fact, that's something we would look at as optimizing the use or the expenditure on the licenses. So there's some inside tricks that we have, not necessarily tricks, but capabilities in terms of setting up and configuring your software environment so that it really takes advantage of the money that you're spending on software licenses. So selecting tools and implementing the tools. And then we call it automation. Automation and optimization are really the next two areas. So a tool is one thing, but really leveraging that tool through your workflow and through automation so that everything is sort of turnkey and push button, automated, no manual intervention, reducing the chance of error or problems in software delivery, obviously speeding the delivery and improving your quality. And then continuous improvement. We're always looking for ways to improve the operation, whether that's from speed or cost. As we know today, there's a lot going on in terms of continuous integration and continuous deployment. So we're very active in helping organizations automate, an entire workflow and delivery system for software delivery. Let me turn now to our staffing services or resource management services. So a lot of companies ask us, can we help you find resources to support your organization? And we we certainly support that as a core competency. We have a 24/7 onshore, offshore recruiting capability, and we have access to thousands of resources worldwide to help you find the right resources. If you're looking for support or resources in the area of configuration management, again, whether that's in the area of version control, change control, release management, build automation, anything that has to do with configuration management, not only can we help you find the right candidates through our ideal screening capabilities, but when those people come on site to support you, not only are they on site as an individual, they have access to hundreds of employees here at CMI that can help solve the problems that you have. So not only do you get one resource, but you get access, that one resource has access to a lot of our experts here at CMI, so you're not just getting one person, you're getting a family of CMI experts in supporting your need. And then lastly, our managed services. So our managed services is our most mature offering. What we find is a lot of clients realize that configuration management and operation support of configuration management is not their core competency. It is our core competency, and not only can we provide a very efficient operation in terms of the cost of your CM environment, but we can help you engineer and streamline that to provide the highest quality and the fastest delivery of software. Some of our clients, we've been working with them for over 10 years, Fortune 500 clients, some of them very big operations. At one of our clients, we're supporting several hundred applications in their entire CM operation, release management and CM operation. We support, and those applications have thousands of software builds and hundreds of software releases a month, and we support that whole operation in a very cost-effective manner. In addition, we have two unique options in our managed services that clients very much like with our offering. The first is what we call service-based pricing. So instead of charging you for hours of support or for a full-time equivalent or staff on site for supporting the organization, we provide service-based pricing. And what that means is we charge you for elements of service support that we provide. So there's a price for that service, and it's a clear link between the services you're getting and the cost, and you can clearly link the value you get. The other interesting option that we have is we have a consumption-based model. And with the consumption-based model, instead of having a fixed cost month in and month out, we have the capability to provide a flexible consumption model, which allows the cost to ebb and flow based on your demands for services. So instead of having a fixed monthly budget or a fixed annual budget, we can set it up so that the cost to you will go up or down based on the demand that you have for our services. So a lot of clients are very interested in that option. And as I said, our managed services is our most mature offering. We have a lot of experience at putting this in place and providing you some of these unique options that provide you additional flexibility. I should mention that in a lot of companies, the people that we support are also providing horizontal services to internal clients, and so with the consumption-based model and the service-based pricing, that helps them provide services to their clients and using us in support of that. Our goal is to become a strategic partner of yours, to evolve our relationship and to evolve the quality and improve the software delivery time and lower the cost to you, and we do that over the long term with a proven track record there. So in summary, I think I'd just like to say that CMI is all about configuration management. We have a number of different services to support you. We can get started on a consulting basis. We can provide you staffing resources, or if you're interested in our managed service, we can get started there. I want to take the time to thank you for spending time listening to our video, and I encourage you to reach out to us. You can call us on the phone at 732-450-1100 anytime. We'd look forward to hearing from you. And certainly you can go to our website and find out more about what we do. We look forward to hearing from you. Thanks again for taking the time.